Welcome to our video on the best yoga poses for belly fat loss. In this video, we will guide you through a series of powerful yoga poses specifically designed to target and reduce belly fat. Are you ready to embark on this journey towards a trimmer midsection? Let's get started. The first pose we will explore is the mountain pose, also known as Tadasana. Stand tall with your feet hip-width apart, spine straight, and shoulders relaxed. Engage your core, lengthen your tailbone, and imagine being pulled upward from the crown of your head. Breathe deeply and hold this pose for a few moments, feeling the strength and stability it provides. Mountain pose helps improve posture and activates the muscles in your abdomen, making it an excellent pose for belly fat loss. Next up, we have the boat pose, also known as Navasana. Sit on your mat with your legs extended in front of you. Slowly lift your legs off the ground, keeping them straight, and balance on your sitting bones. Extend your arms parallel to the ground. Engage your core and find your balance. This pose not only strengthens your abdominal muscles, but also works your hip flexors and lower back. Practice boat pose regularly to tone your belly and burn fat in that area. Another powerful pose for belly fat loss is the plank pose, also known as Phalakasana. Begin in a push-up position with your hands directly under your shoulders and legs extended behind you. Engage your core, straighten your back, and hold this position for as long as you can without compromising your form. Plank pose targets multiple muscle groups, including your abs, arms, and back. It's an effective exercise for toning your belly and building overall strength. Get ready for the camel pose, also known as Ustrasana. Kneel on your mat with your knees hip-width apart. Place your hands on your lower back for support and gently push your hips forward. Lift your chest towards the ceiling and arch your back. If comfortable, you can reach your hands back to hold onto your heels. Camel pose stretches the front of your body and helps activate your abdominal muscles, ultimately aiding in belly fat reduction. Let's end our sequence with a relaxing and restorative pose called Child's Pose, or Balasana. Kneel on your mat and sit back on your heels. Slowly lower your torso down until your forehead touches the ground. Extend your arms forward or rest them alongside your body. Take deep breaths and allow your body to release any tension. While Child's Pose may not directly target belly fat, it helps reduce stress and promote overall well-being. Stress management is important in preventing the accumulation of abdominal fat. Congratulations on completing the best yoga poses for belly fat loss sequence. Regular practice of these poses, along with a healthy diet and overall fitness routine, can contribute to a slimmer waistline and improved overall health. Remember to consult with a yoga instructor or fitness professional before attempting these poses, especially if you have any pre-existing conditions. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video has been helpful in your journey towards a healthier you.